Namaskara, Namaste, Vanakkam, welcome back to your cup of tea channel. It's so nice to see you all again. I hope all are staying safe. Today I have come up with a recipe which will be very much favorite for the chicken lovers, which is very delicious, creamy and rich. It is nothing but Malai chicken gravy, and you can also call it as white sauce chicken gravy. So let's get started. Before we get started to the recipe, please, those who are watching my video without subscribing to my channel and the people who are watching my videos for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel and keep supporting. So let's get into the recipe.
Ingredients needed to make Malai chicken gravy. Here I have taken in around half a kg of boneless chicken. You can take with bone chicken also. 2 medium sized onions slightly chopped, around 4 to 5 slitted green chillies. Some chopped coriander leaves for garnishing. 1.5 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of butter, 3/4 cup of curd, same portion 3/4 cup of fresh cream, and mainly salt to taste, coriander powder 1 tablespoon, white pepper powder 1.5 tablespoon, Garam Masala 1/2 tablespoon, 1.5 tablespoon of Cumin powder, and some Kasturi Methi. Let's start the preparation. Once the saucepan is hot, I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of butter. Allow the butter to melt. I'm going to add in the chopped onions and green chilli and saute this well. Now the onion is turned nice and transparent. At this stage I'm going to add in 1.5 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and saute this well until the raw smell goes. Now onion and ginger garlic paste has been fried well. At this stage add in the chicken. Give a mix. Chicken cook for 2 minutes. Add in the salt. The salt will always help the chicken or the onions all to cook early. Mix this well so that the oils will get into the chicken. Cook this about for 2 minutes. See, the chicken is already started to lose some water. At this stage, I am adding all the spices. Garam Masala, Cumin powder, Coriander powder, white pepper powder. You can replace it with some black pepper powder also. Mix this all well. Now the spices are getting gelled with the chicken. Cook this for about 5 to 6 minutes. Now add in the curd. Give a mix. Mix it well so that the curd will get gelled with the chicken and the spices. Now add in some water. Don't add more water. This gravy shouldn't be a liquid gravy. It should have the thick consistency. Add in around 50 to 100 ml of water. Now mix this well. Closing the lid and cook the chicken for about 12 minutes. If you're taking the with bone chicken, double up the time. It's almost 10 minutes. Let's check it out. Wow, the aroma is so superb. And it is tempting, the craving. Now, at this stage, I'm going to add in the fresh cream. And mix it all well so that the fresh cream dissolves. Now we are going to cook the chicken for another 6 to 8 minutes. It's almost 8 minutes. Yes, we have got the perfect consistency. It is neither too liquidy or neither too thick. You have got the perfect gravy. See the corners is with some butter. Now I'm going to add a handful of Kasturi Methi. Take the Kasturi Methi in your palm and crush it with both your palms. Here comes, last but not least, the coriander leaves. I'm going to add in the finely chopped coriander leaves. Mix this well and leave it on a medium flame for at least 30 to 40 seconds. Now our Malai chicken gravy is ready. I'm going to take it in a serving bowl now. You can serve this with some naan, roti, Romali roti or chapati. Friends, if you like my recipe, please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Stay safe friends. See you all in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.